Hi guys, welcome to IANS Academy. Today our question is the electrostatic force on a small sphere of charge 0.4 microcoulombs due to another small sphere of charge -8 microcoulombs in air is zero point 0.2 newtons. In air is 0.2 newtons. In the last class we learned something about Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law. What is that one? F is equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R square. K into Q1 Q2 by R square. So here in first question, it was asked to find the distance between two spheres. Given electrostatic force on first charge. This is first charge due to other charge. So we'll represent this one like this: F12. The electrostatic force acting on first charge due to second charge, which is equal to, what is K? K is constant, which is 9 into 10 power 9 into Q1 into Q2 by R square. Here it was asked to find the distance between two spheres. Distance is R. R is the distance. So we have to find R square is equal to 9 into 10 power 9 into what is Q1? 0.4 microcoulombs. 0.4 into 10 power -6. Here we have to consider only the magnitude of charges into 0.8 into 10 power -6 by what is the force acting on first charge due to second charge, that is 0.2. Now R square, finally after cancellation we will get R square as 0.0144. So from this R is equal to 0.12 meters, which is equal to, if we convert this meters into centimeters, it will be 12 centimeters. Okay. Now in the second question it was asked to find what is the force between the second sphere due to first. That is, here it was asked to find F21. Here what we have founded in the first question? F12. Basically F12 is equal to F21. Here it was asked to find F21 is equal to F12, which is equal to 0.2 newtons. Okay, and here this force is attractive force. Force is attractive force. Why? Because here the first charge is positive charge and second one is a negative charge. If two charges are opposite, the force is attractive. Attractive force of how much? 0.2 newtons. If you like my explanation, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, IANS Academy. Thank you.